Good afternoon. Welcome back to Embedded World. As you can see, and maybe even hear, we're almost shutting down now. It's the last day and the last couple hours. I have some friends in the booth with us. Alex Wood from Tria, Robert Thompson from NXP, and what I want to talk about is a subject that's becoming near and dear to my heart is OSM modules. So want to make sure that the audience is familiar with these modules. One of you guys just want to take a second and talk about what they are, and then we can get into the exciting news of the week.
So this year we introduced our OSM modules featuring NXP's latest i.MX95.
We were going to explain what OSM modules are.
Yeah, and they're really tiny postage stamp sized modules. The idea is that they're soldered down so that you can stick them right onto your PCB around your product design. You don't need to have a connector, which makes them really cool, packing a lot of processing power into a very small package. And that's a really cool thing to do.
How much functionality can you put on one of those things?
Pretty much the functionality that you get onto like a smart module or something broader. The benefit is people that want to use NXP processors, they can take something that we've already built, all of that layer of complexity with the processors and the surrounding technology, take it as a module and put it onto their device without having to design that from scratch.
Awesome. Now let's get into the news of the week. It was an exciting module that you guys announced.
Yeah, so we've got the new OSM LF IMX95.
Very good.
Yeah, exactly. I got it in one. So that's using NXP's latest IMX95 processors. They're the higher end of the processing capability. It really completes the picture that we've got from the more power efficient, lower end of the processing range, all the way up to the tip top from NXP as well.
What sort of applications would we see that one in?
Robert, do you want to explain the applications for the IMX95 processors?
Yeah, sure. So the 95 is similar to many i.MX application processors in that it's really a general application processor with a range of features that you would expect from NXP. It's got a core complex, GPU, VPU, really aimed at across the industrial IoT and even auto infotainment market, healthcare, factory automation, building, and home automation. It's really, we're seeing it as a natural extension of the i.MX8 family. With the advantage, as Alex said, with the OSM, we're seeing much more adoption of standardized modules. Being able to solder onto the board really makes it applicable to some ruggedized, high vibration environments where before customers always had to do a chip down design. Now they have the possibility of using an OSM module, so a much more flexibility in a standard form factor.
So if I'm already designing with a previous generation i.MX, what would it take to move up to this generation?
Right now, we're about to go into mass production, so you can go onto nxp.com. You can see all the key specs. We're going to have modules available from key partners such as Tria, so they can sample, they can start prototyping, evaluating, and as I said, we're in mass production by mid-April, so you'll have general availability.
That sounds great. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thanks a lot.